Epi Cooler is being promoted everywhere right now as this powerful, portable device that can cool or heat an entire room without any installation. The ads make it look like a high-tech machine that works year-round, offering fast cooling, instant heating, and quiet operation. And of course, they say it covers up to 550 square feet, which sounds extremely impressive for something so small. But when you dig a little deeper, things start to look very different from what the marketing suggests. The first thing that raises eyebrows is the claim that it can cool and heat a space as large as 51 square meters without installation. Any real air conditioner capable of cooling a room that size needs a proper way to remove heat, usually through an exhaust hose or window system. A device that you just plug in without any setup can only blow air around. It can't actually take heat out of the room. That alone goes against basic physics, and it's one of the biggest warning signs with products like this. Then there's the 5-second cooling or heating promise. No legitimate cooling system can lower the temperature of a full room in just a few seconds. Even high-quality ACs take anywhere between 10 and 20 minutes for small rooms and even longer for larger spaces. So when a handheld gadget claims to do it instantly, it's a major giveaway that the marketing is exaggerated. The advertised power usage is another issue. Epi Cooler is listed as a 1.6 kilowatt device. While that power level might be okay for a small heater or a tiny air circulator, it's nowhere near enough to cool an entire large room. Real air conditioners for 50 square meter spaces normally require at least 3.5 kilowatts to 5 kilowatts. The numbers simply don't match what the ads are promising, and that creates another layer of doubt. And here's the part most people never see. These types of products are often just basic drop-shipped items. The same looking devices are available on Alibaba and other wholesale Chinese websites for as low as around $7 to $10. But online sellers create hype, run flashy ads, and then sell the same item for close to $200. In the end, what arrives is usually nothing more than a simple fan with LED lights and a fancy box. So if you've been seeing Epi Cooler ads online, just take a moment before hitting that purchase button. The marketing may look convincing, but the claims don't line up with how real cooling and heating systems work. When something promises huge performance with zero installation, instant results, and suspicious pricing, it's a sign to step back.